Welcome to Vidya Vaibhav Public School. The first topic we are going to learn is letters with shadow. This is for the month of December. So now we should write the letters. So here I am using a word A, art, AR, T, art, and craft. See, already we learned with the numbers. Here we are learning in a letters. So as like this, you can try with any of the word, any kind of letters. And now take a single color, color it complete letters in a orange. You should use two colors, one is dark and one is light. If your base color is a light, you should use dark. So here the base color I am using a light color, it's a orange. Always the base color should be in a light. And then once your base color is completed, I am taking a dark color, it's a black. The combination what I am using is a orange and a black. See the shade how I am using, even you should use in the same way. Observe and you do it. You can feel the depth of the letters, right? So that's why we should use letter with shade. It's not that a normal alphabet how we will use. Okay, so here we completed letter with shadow. We'll go for the next topic. A second topic is ear bud printing. This is for the month of December. Draw an ice cream stick first, like this, a base, and then color it in the combination of green and red, has like a watermelon. And for the stick I'm coloring a brown color. So here I'm using a black color earbud and black color paint. So just I'll drag like a seed. Just 3 or 4 is enough. Don't make lot of seeds using a paint. So we completed here. We'll go for the third topic, nature and scenery. This is for the month of December. And now we'll draw a duck. Okay, follow the step how I'm doing. Use the same step, you will feel very easy. And then water, and then we'll do small duck next to a mom duck. 2 ducks will do. Use the same technique. Okay, now here I'll do one frog head. Just draw one curve and draw the eyes. So it's feeling like it's in the water, only head is outside. And draw the stone and a land. Draw one big grass and one flower. And leaves and a sun. So and then next we'll start coloring this. Okay, before that we should draw. So first we'll complete wings with the. Okay, it's completed. We'll go back. We'll start coloring a water in a blue color. See, coloring wave and a direction is very important. This was the tip when we are doing a coloring we should follow. So color it neatly. See here, while coloring I'm using a technique of pencil pressure also. Wherever I'm holding like very lightly you can see the light colors, and where I'm doing darkly you can see very dark. Okay, for cloud I'm doing completely very lightly. I'm not doing very dark, has like a water. And now for the sun I'm using a orange color. And we'll start coloring the duck. I'm using a dark green completely. And then green color I'm using for the light green color for the frog and for grass also. and we'll draw one lotus. So here I'm drawing a leaf of lotus, and using a pink color I'm drawing a lotus. Only one side is enough. And then I'll use a brown to color a stones and a land. And I'm making a outline is little dark. And then we'll color the flower. I'm using a purple color. Completely outline I made it a dark. Inside I colored. And for the beak I'm used a yellow color. So now nature and scenery is ready. The first topic, letter with shadow. Second topic, earbud printing. Third topic, nature and scenery. Thank you.